Okay, nagre-record na to, Buds, ah. I see. Oh yeah, after nitong game kuan ako, pa-check ako ng mic. May bago biniling mic eh. Good. Very good for you, Buds. Should I choose damage? No, I meant is landmine. Sorry. Okay. Yes. I am the parasite. Sa taas, sa taas. Bro, inaabol ako ni Medib. Pinapasok ako sa base. Oh, you're dead. Buti walang palaka. He's dead. Okay, lip eh. Lipat lang ako dito. Wait lang, tinutulungan ko yung baba. Wait lang. What the hell are you doing, Kerrigan? Hinahanap ako ni Medib. Nagman... Chinecheck ko always yung map awareness ko. Okay, pupunta na siya sa taas. Pupunta na ako sa baba. Oh my goodness. You suck, Kerrigan. You suck. Ah, shit. Nazibo is in the mid. Gago. Gago ka, Medib. Come here. Patay ka. Woo! Very annoying. Nagpapatrol sa mga base. Nice! Patay si Nazibo. Oh yeah, Keanu, you remember Zul'jin, right? Let's see, grandfather. He has a granddaughter. Pangalan ng granddaughter niya is Zuljan. Ah, bagong introduce siya sa bagong expansion ngayon sa WoW. Yep. Yes. No, you're not wrong. So, yeah, private WoW. Yeah, yun. Is- Yeah, I can't hear from you, Pam. You still you still have your the habit of muting yourself. Is it because you sa StarCraft era mo? I see. Do your shit, bods. Patay. As you wish. I'm going to the base at top. Sige lang. Kailangan nyo lang hanap lang kayo ng private server na WoW. Kasi sila, oh, latest version or Wrath of the Lich King? Okay. Bagay talaga yan basta latest. He's gonna die. Drainer okay pa sa akin. Miss of Pandaria hindi nag-click sa akin. Sumabay kasi siya sa akin yung movie ng Kung Fu Panda. Ever since na-release yung Kung Fu Panda, like, meh, too much Kung Fu Panda.
Yawa.
Ayun na, alis na dyan!
Yawa, may na-support. Uy!
Nice! Oh shit!
Bulok ba yawa?
Yee!
Kiki mo yawa.
Nice!
Kago man to! Uy!
Boy ka na, Bods! Boy ka na!
Shit, nag-shit naman ko.
Sasapi ako agad sa'yo pag andun ka na.
Ay,
Tudud, tud, tudud. Turururururu. Turururururu. Yep. Yeah, Keanu is a monster when it comes to leveling. Wow, dami kong guard dahil I'm a fucking worm. Wait, you're the first one to die, Boots? Yeah. Yeah. What a timing was that? Wait lang ah. Tinutulungan ko yung baba. Okay, sasapin na ako sa'yo.
Nice.
Push na lang yung top. Oh yeah, yung sa server na Ascension, Keanu, yung mga loot drops rate doon, is it lower or normal? Yung sa old server na nilalaro namin, which is dead na, yung ITR, wow. Wait lang, go, stop moving! Yung ITR WoW server, napakababa ng percentage lahat doon. Kaya, pero nakuha ko naman dahil tiyaga naman ako nagfa-farm. Wow. Tutururu. Oh yeah, anong race mo doon? Oh, ako Night Elf, oh, then Hunter, then yep, never since. Pero yung favorite kong race doon, tsaka yung favorite character ko dati doon, Dwarf. So, wait, At saka kan doon, marami akong achievement doon, especially yung mga feats of achievement, yung hindi mo makukuha by typical na way lang. As in, secret lang talaga. May mga nakuha din ako doon eh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm a Mount Hunter din.
Aray, aray, aray.
Yung pinakamahirap na mount hunting ko doon yung Stingray sa Outland. Hirap nun i-farm eh. Imagine it, ikaw muna, go, go. Ano yun? Sa server namin, dali lang yun i-farm eh. Damn. How about kan, yung mount na turtle, nagpa-farm ka ba nun? Kan, pwede mo siya makuha sa fishing. Hmm. Kaya, tsaka kan, yung character ko dati doon sa WoW kan, I'm a chef. Yeah, food buffs. Kaka, enchanter ka or blacksmith? Nice. Nice. Pero yung chinaga ko talaga na profession doon is engineering. Hirap hanapin yung mga materials para sa mga recipes na makukuha sa engineering. Kasi it needs a lot of different profession na friends mo like sa leatherworking, herbalist, blacksmith, mining. Kailangan mo ng mga recipe from them eh. Nice. See. So he's making weeds. Oh, nice. Dominator. Nice. Okay. Part 1 is done.